Hi guys, my name is Reema and I am back with yet another video from EduFit. And guess what are we talking about today? We are going to talk about your resume. Well, first of all, a lot of people come and ask me, do I need a resume to submit to the college, or do I need a resume to put it for my counselor? Well, in either case, you will need a resume. Why? Because if you go to a larger school, your resume will be a comprehensive list of activities that you've done in your 9th grade, your 10th grade, your 11th grade, and your 12th grade. And I would suggest that if a particular college is giving you an option to upload your resume as an additional attachment, do it because it showcases everything that you are. So you most definitely need a resume, right? In this video, we are going to talk about the 5 mistakes that you do when you produce a resume that is not that great and you want to avoid them. So let's get on with it. The very first mistake is writing a generic resume. Just put your name, your address, and the accomplishments, and boom, it's gone. You don't want to do that, right? Especially if you have a certain school in your mind, you have to cater your resume according to that. For example, MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, loves students who have won Olympiads, loves students with great team working spirit. So make sure those things on your resume stand out in the first portion of your resume. Vis-a-vis, if you're looking at University of Pennsylvania, which is commonly known as UPenn, they love students who've done a lot of research. So if you have been involved in any kind of research, make sure that stands out. Long story short, research a school and change your resume according to that so that it fits the bill and highlights the part of your resume that is better suited to your college. How do you find out what is better suited to a certain school? It's simple. Go to the college website and look at the core principles that they adhere by. Those are the values in hindsight they're seeking in your resume. So make sure if you have a dream school, you prepare your profile accordingly and showcase that, right? Second mistake that you can do is having grammatical errors on your resume. Well guys, you are applying to an English-speaking country where English grammar and nuances play a very important role. I don't expect you to be the most well-versed with every nitty-gritty of grammar, but writing a grammatically correct resume is pivotal, right? Why is it pivotal? Because it showcases to me the attention to detail that you have. Think of it. If you can't make the small things right, do you really think you can make the bigger things right? No, right? So make sure that your resume is grammatically correct. Mistake number 3, having an unprofessional email ID on your resume. I can't tell you how many times I have seen this email ID which says qtdaisy24@gmail.com or hotmichael@gmail.com, right? These are probably the email IDs that you created when you were younger, and it's fine to have those. What is not fine is to list them on your resume, right? You want to have a thorough professional email ID, which should most probably be your first name, dot your last name, or just your first name, last name, or the initial of your first name, dot your last name, and @gmail.com. These are professional email IDs and make the kind of impact that you're looking for. Mistake number 4, writing too much on your resume. Do you know your resume should not exceed at max 2 pages? If possible, make it into a 1-pager, but at the most 2 pages. You don't want to put every single thing that you did on your resume. And even if you do, you want to hide the finer details of it. You don't want to say every time you picked up a screen or lifted a bag or anything, It could be holistic teamwork, and it could be one simple thing as acted as a team player in coordinating my sports day event. And that works. So don't give away too many things. Stick to being professional and giving away the things that would really matter to the admissions officer. Mistake number 5, and that is not using a proper format. Please don't give me all these colorful resumes with green and blue and white and splashes of I don't know what else, right? I am looking for a business resume. A business resume starts with a name on the top. It starts with your address, your email ID, and a right telephone number to get in touch with you, followed by your academic credentials, meaning the score that you've done, the subjects that you've taken, and then your activities divided into 4 parts, which would be leadership, teamwork, miscellaneous, and anything else that you want on your resume. So make sure it's thorough, it has a certain font, it aligns to the standard template that usually resumes should be, and you're good to go. I hope these tips were useful to you, and you can use these tips to actually make a thorough resume that you can submit with your application. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button, and you will hear from us with more videos like this, which is informative at the same time helping you gauge your mistakes. So this is Reema signing off for this video, and I hope to see you in the next one very soon. See ya, bye bye.